This will sound very strange, but J.R.R. Tolkien's The Return of the King in his The Lord of the Rings trilogy is a prophecy that is predicting that famous actor James Earl Jones, the voice of the Lion King and the voice of Darth Vader, will die on September 23rd. James Earl Jones was the voice of the lion. He was the voice of the Lion King. James Earl Jones will die one day before the occurrence of the event that is described in the Bible in the book of Revelation in chapter 8. Revelation 8:7 describes a catastrophic solar flare, coronal mass ejection hit from the sun. The lion's roar symbolizes this, and this is what the death of the voice of the Lion King will symbolize. This is why James Earl Jones, the voice of the Lion King, will die one day before this catastrophic solar storm, coronal mass ejection hit from the sun that will hit Earth and cause catastrophic power outages. This event is described in the Bible in Revelation chapter 8, along with 3 other trumpet judgments from God. And it is predicted that these 3 other trumpet judgments will also occur on September 24th, 2022. These include a catastrophic asteroid hit of Earth, the eruption of volcanoes, and a volcanic mountain that will crash into the sea and cause a catastrophic tsunami. It is predicted that James Earl Jones will die on September 23rd and the day after on September 24th, in addition to a catastrophic solar storm hit and a catastrophic asteroid hit of Earth. Yellowstone volcano will erupt and the volcanic island in the Canary Islands will crash into the sea and cause a catastrophic tsunami. Having said this, it is also possible that not all 4 of these trumpet judgment events will take place on September 24th, and instead it is possible that only one of these events will occur on September 24th, with the other 3 remaining trumpet judgment events taking place sometime within the next year. The post date that this video is posted proves that these predictions are being made ahead of time. As well, these time-stamped emails and forensic notes PDF files also document that these predictions are being made ahead of time. If you are skeptical for some reason, please email me and I will forward these to you. In the account of Noah's flood in the Bible, God gave Noah a 7 days warning to load the ark before the judgment destruction began. 7 days before the predicted events will occur on September 24th. A major flooding event occurred on the northwest coast of Alaska. Coastal towns experienced 10 feet of water above high tide sea level. Homes were lifted off their foundations and floated away, and there was destruction and evacuations. The governor declared a disaster. This flooding event was the result of the massive Hurricane Merbok. Merbok is a Malaysian word that refers to a type of spotted-neck dove. In the flood account, Noah waited 7 days for a dove to return to the ark, and therefore this confirms the 7 days count from the flooding event on September 17th to the predicted events on September 24th. Additionally, this flooding occurred in the 49th state to join the Union, and in the Bible, the number 49 is prophetic because it is 7 times 7. Including, for example, a passage that speaks of 7 times 7 days. The Antichrist will rise to power through replacing the 49th Vice President, Kamala Harris, after it is predicted that she will die in a plane crash on November 3rd, 2022. In the Bible, in the book of Daniel, chapter 8, the Antichrist is described as coming from the northwest, and this is perfectly symbolized in this flooding event that took place in the most northern and most western location of the United States. The Antichrist 44th president will rise to power after the eruption of Yellowstone volcano that is located on the 44th latitudinal line in the northwest corner of the 44th state to join the Union in the northwest United States. This predicted catastrophic solar storm that is described in Revelation chapter 8 will occur 7 days after the flooding event that was a 7 days warning, and this flooding event on September 17th was in turn exactly 800 days after the astronomy news came out regarding the biggest solar flare ever detected. This super flare was detected on a star that is located in the neck of Leo the Lion constellation, which is why the media called it the Lion's Roar. James Earl Jones, the voice of Mufasa, the king in the movie The Lion King, symbolizes this lion's roar. Some social media sites have a maximum length for videos that can be posted, and so I need to cut this video into 2 parts. Click on the link to watch the remainder of this video. You can also find this link in the description box below this video. Make sure you watch the remainder of this extremely important video that is posted on a different channel than the one you are watching now. The link to the rest of this video is in the description box below this video. Hopefully you at least found this introduction video to be interesting, and if so, please leave a like and upvote the video, and please consider sharing the video.